Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this beautiful new 2026 Grady-White Canyon 306. You'll see we have this awesome blue hull color, and if we walk around to the back of the boat here, you'll see this is going to be powered by twin 350 Yamahas. Let's climb aboard, take a look at the boat. Up on this 306, we have an awesome size fish box on the back. It's great for cold storage, can be used as a cooler or for keeping the first fresh catch of the day. Awesome dive door on the side for bringing in those tuna, or easy access on and off from the docks. And then that fold down bench to give you tons of fishing space, or pop that up for riding out to the canyons or wherever else. Great seating option. On the back, we have a bait prep station, live well, and some tackle storage underneath. Plano boxes. Moving up to the helm, Grady does leave this dash open for you to pick whatever electronics package is going to best fit your needs. This is equipped with a full maneuverability package. So you have the joystick there, a digital throttle and shift on those 350s on the back, and your Yamaha vessel or Yamaha gauge there to get all of your engine diagnostics in real time. Radio box overhead, and high and dry storage for all your PFDs, and this beautiful color matched light blue color to that hull side. Also behind this helm here is a really well equipped head. Really nice sturdy door, and then beautiful finish on that head. This is a wet head, so that shower can pull out, and this whole place can be used to rinse off, and it drains all overboard. Large bow on this boat, great seating up front. These bolsters can swing in to be backrests or bolsters for fishing. And then this has the filler cushion up front, so this can be used as a large sun pad as we have it set up now, or take all the cushions off board. Great casting platform for doing some fishing. Windlass in the front can be accessed from the bow or from the helm. And then you got outriggers and spreader lights overhead. So one more time, this is Mike here on a 2026 Grady-White Canyon 306. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.